The last warehouse sale at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida, went so well that the manager said, "Let's do it again." So WestPoint Home is now offering even bigger discounts on many more name brand items. Sheets, towels, pillows, and household accessories with 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. But these huge discounts on our best values will last for only 3 weeks, from Friday, June 23rd through Sunday, July 16th, 2023. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with name brands including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. From blankets and throws to plush comforters. From bath towels and memory foam pillows to flannel sheets, shower curtains, and comforters. All at low, low, low prices. Now is one of the best opportunities to give your home a summer makeover without breaking the bank. With 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Summer Warehouse Sale. Friday, June 23rd through Sunday, July 16th, 2023. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the summer savings begin.